Think cracking your knuckles gives you arthritis? Think again. That pop isn't your bones grinding. It's actually a tiny explosion of gas. Inside your joints, there's a thick lubricant called synovial fluid. When you pull your fingers back, you create a sudden drop in pressure within that fluid. This causes dissolved gases like nitrogen and CO2 to instantly form a bubble. When that bubble pops, it creates the signature crack sound you hear. It's a process called cavitation, and it's completely harmless. In fact, it takes about 20 minutes for the gas to dissolve back into the fluid before you can pop them again. So keep on cracking. Your joints aren't breaking, they're just letting off some steam.